Hey, hello, my name is Nestor Melendez. Welcome to Greetings from Colombia. We're right now here in Cartagena de Indias, and everything is restarting again. The tourism is starting to come back over here to this beautiful city, one of the best destinations in the Caribbean. This is Cartagena de Indias, and this is Greetings from Colombia. We're gonna work right now. We're gonna go to see some of the best buys you can do here in Cartagena. And one of the best things you should buy when coming over here to Cartagena or to Colombia is emeralds. We're right here at one of the most important jewelries of the city of Cartagena. It's called Caribe Jewelry, and they have all the protocols to get in. So excuse me, bear with me a little bit. What do I have to do? Okay, they're checking me the temperature and everything. And now I gotta get back. I don't know what they're gonna do. Yeah, it's okay. Okay, I gotta put my and the other one. Okay, and I have to take care of my hands over here with a little thing. You know how it is. 1, 2, 3. Let me see how I do with the other hand. Okay. Just bear with me. Gotta take all the protocols. Don't move so much, comer. Hey, how are you?
Hey, my friend, how are you
Hey,
today?
welcome. This guy is Haller. He's the manager over here at Caribe Jewelry. How's everything going, Haller? No sales yet, but we're starting to do it, yeah?
Yes, we are reopening. We also have like 2 days. We're just open. So the city is like moving slow, but we're waiting the people to arrive here to the place, as you can see.
Okay, please tell our viewers why does people that comes to Cartagena over here, all the tourists, why do they have to buy emeralds? Why do they have to buy Colombian emeralds? What is so famous about Colombian emeralds?
Why Colombian emeralds? Because Colombian emeralds are the top quality in the world. We are the #1. After it's Brazil and then Zambia. We are the highest or the finest emerald in the world, and you will see that here in this store.
Okay, I want to know why Colombian emerald is the famous in the world, but you're going to see it right now because we have the finest in the store. They're going to show it to us right now. So Haller, tell us everything. You're the manager, man.
Okay, so here in Colombia you will find why the Colombian emeralds are the best in the world. We have the perfect balance between the color, brilliance, and transparency, and now you're going to see some pieces where you will see what I'm talking about. So here we have the store where you will find a jewelry with sterling silver, 18 karat gold. We have for every people, we have every budget, and we have a small museum right there when we can talk about the history, about the emeralds, and all things around the emeralds. So here we can see everything. We have certification, international warranty. You are in the right place to buy your Colombian emeralds.
Okay, one of the things is the certification. Some people ask because these are completely natural emeralds, no?
Yes.
There's a big difference, you know, you have to know people about that. There's a difference between natural emeralds and some emeralds they make right now at laboratories. So they're not the good ones. You got to buy the natural, yeah?
Here we have the natural emeralds, Colombian emeralds. As you told them that there are so many places where you will find some fake emeralds or emeralds that are not natural. That's very important. Here our emeralds are non-treated. That's very important to know because some places use chemical things or chemical systems to hide like inclusions or makes them look brilliant or better than the real life they are.
Okay, tell me and tell everybody, do they have warranty if they take out from here, from Cartagena, all these beautiful emeralds and what is the warranty if they take into an appraisal or somebody here, in the States and you sold them like an emerald with I don't know how many carats or whatever?
So here our company give you an international guarantee per 3 years. You have the certification where they will describe everything about the piece, like what is the metal, or so for example gold or silver, what's the weight, and what's the weight in the emerald. So that's very important. You have, in case, for example, something wrong happened with your piece. I know that that won't happen, but there are cases. In case something wrong happens, you just have to contact us, and we are gonna send you steps to apply for your warranty. You don't have to come back to Colombia or to Cartagena again.
Oh, that's great.
Or maybe that would be a reason to come to this beautiful city.
Okay, so let's go to see the emeralds, and you show us what do you have over here.
Okay, for example, so we have a big store where you will find pieces in sterling silver, 18 karat gold, yellow and white gold. For example, here we have one of our beautiful emeralds. This is white gold, 18 karat. We have here some diamonds in the band. We have this huge emerald in the middle with a really high quality. Here we see 2.7 karat of emeralds. So here all this piece is certificate, and we have more pieces right here. We have loose stones in case you wanna just have the stone, or in case you wanna make a different thing or a special thing to you. We have our factory where we can make the thing you have in your mind.
What is the asking price for a piece like this one?
A piece like this is around $29,000 US.
$2,900 or $29,000. $29,000, man. That's a little bit expensive, but you can
we
get
have
made.
lower prices. We have here starting price is like $100 US. That's sterling silver.
Okay.
And up like this, for example.
Like $29,000 for this beautiful piece of jewelry. You can see it, and it is really wonderful. But there's one thing: if you buy it in the United States or in another place, how much would it go up?
At least twice.
Wow, at least twice.
Yeah.
So the price you get here, you got for that same kind of ring in New York, like $50,000.
Around, yeah.
Wow, let's see more. Let's see more over here at the Jewelry Caribe, over here in Cartagena de Indias. You know, when you come over here to Cartagena, well, you got to go and see it. One of the things about all the jewelry in Colombia is that the gold is 18 karat. It's not like in the States that it's like in 14 karat. Over here, the gold is 18 karat.
Okay, here we have something in yellow gold. I just want to show you something different to the other style. So here we have some diamonds, emeralds, and this is 18 karat gold. This is yellow gold. Something important to know is that we use 18 karat gold. That's a common in Colombia or America, and we use with gold to complement the emerald diamonds. In the sterling silver, you will find emeralds and some cubic zirconians.
Okay.
So that makes the difference in prices.
Okay, and what is the price for this one? With the asking price?
This is $11,000 US.
11,000. Can I tell one thing to my viewers? I don't know if I can tell them, but if they give me a mail or something, can I get them a discount over here when they come?
If they can with you, they can have a special price.
Okay, you know that if you come with me here to the jewelry, you get a special price and you get a very good discount. So write me, you gotta like me, you gotta subscribe to my channel, and give me a comment. Hey, yeah, I want an emerald, and I get you a nice hefty discount, and I will fight for you. Let's go on watching some more jewels you would like to see. What else do you have? Something like collares, like necklaces, or what are you going to show you? So surprise me, or surprise everyone.
Let's go to this place.
Let's go to this place. This looks like the most expensive part, or normal. I don't know.
Okay,
this is beautiful. Look at that.
For example.
Hey, this is cool. Look at the peace sign over here. Hey, cool.
Let me show you.
Yeah, this is beautiful. Hey, look, this, kids. This is very nice. This goes for how much? This one's?
For example, something like this is $1,850 US.
For each one or for the pair?
Yes, these are pendants.
Oh, these are pendants.
Yeah,
okay,
yeah,
I thought
yeah,
they were pair. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, very nice.
Some necklaces we have there.
This is beautiful, huh?
Yeah, with the symbol.
Yeah, peace and love, man.
Yeah, there we have a necklace, and we have in the front part we have these colors right here where you will see. And in this place we have like the VIP zone. We have one of the most.
Whoa, this is, wait a second. Ladies and gentlemen, we're at the VIP zone right now. So what you were watching was non-expensive. Now we're getting to the expensive part of the jewelry. Are we?
Yeah. For example, here we have a necklace. This is just diamonds and yellow gold. You see, these are like a match.
Wow.
We have earrings and diamonds. We have 63,000 the color, and here in the earring we have around like 20,000 US dollars.
Wow.
They are
That's
just
nice.
diamonds.
But I prefer emeralds, you know?
Yeah.
I prefer emeralds,
Me too.
but that one's nice.
For example.
Now they're compromise rings right now. They're using emeralds. Huh? They're changing from diamonds to emeralds. Yes.
Yeah, because emerald is symbol of love. Some people don't know about that, but in the world the emeralds are known like symbol of love. It's the mother stone and it's the birthstone from the people to the people from Maine. So now you know that. It's a point you have to know when you're gonna get married with your I don't know, with your husband or your girlfriend, I don't know. So and something very important to know about the emerald is the price, because every like the emeralds are a non-renewable resource. That's something that the investors think about that, because they buy emeralds like thing to invest, and with the time the amount or the price increase, because as they are non-renewable resource, with the time they will be done, and that would be like a treasure.
Yeah, and there are not many mountains over here in Colombia that have these precious stones, this green fire, as the indigenous tribes used to call them. I'm going to show you one of another emerald, and then we will keep on going to watching what emeralds come over here to Caribe Jewelry over here in Cartagena. When you come over here, remember you can get a discount from me. So you don't tell anyone, but you call me or you write me in the comment section, and I can get you a discount over here for sure. Let me work it out. So you just call me and I get it for you. Let's see this beautiful one.
This is stunning pendant. That is a white gold too. That's emerald and diamond. Here we have a ticket price of 15,000 US dollars.
15,000 US dollars. With a guy named Pacheco would say "Quiere cacao." That's a Colombian saying. You wouldn't know about it, but if you're Colombian, you know what I'm talking about. Pacheco, yeah. So we're here at Jewelry Caribe, La Joyería Caribe in Cartagena de Indias. So please, guys, if you come over here to Cartagena, come over here. They invite you, and they also have a museum over here. We will show it to you later on. Thank you, Albert.
So it was a pleasure. Here we are waiting for you. My name is Heather. Ask for me and you will have a special price.
And remember, you say Nestor sent you, so you can get a special discount over here.
It was a pleasure. Bye-bye.
Bye. Take it easy. Remember, greetings from Colombia. Give me a like, give me a comment, and also subscribe to my channel, Colombia Nestor Tours. This is greetings from Colombia. Bye.